Welcome to 2 at 11 Hume Road, Cronulla. I'm going to put this beast in the garage. You guys take a look through. It's a double, by the way. This is an excellent example of an entertainer's kitchen. I love the stone bench tops, the fact that you've got the walk-in pantry, and also how it opens to the living and dining areas. The living area opens to this fantastic covered alfresco space, great for entertaining. And it also opens to the yard. Now, the grass seems to be the perfect height all year round. Oh, sorry, I've been enjoying being up here in the second living area. It's great how it's got all this beautiful natural light too.